Far-right Republican target Indian American must quick to defend. We are sure a brewing conflict in America politics has captured global attention. Far-right Republicans are now targeting Indian Americans and their contribution to the tech world. Elon Musk and Vivek Ramaswamy find themselves in a crosshair for advocating relaxed migrant policies for skilled Indian workers. The tension has escalated, revealing a stark divide within the mega movement. Let's dive into the details of this unfolding drama. The far-right wing of the Republican Party has intensified its criticism of Indian Americans, particularly those advocating for progressive migration policies. This comes after former entrepreneur Sriram Krishnan as his AI advisor, sparking outrage among MAGA loyalists. Elon Musk, a longtime advocate for the merit-based immigrations, defended the role of Indian talent in driving innovation in the US, calling the criticism short-sighted and unproductive. Musk's stance aligns with the Indian American Republican candidate Vivek Ramaswamy, who has previously campaigned the contribution of skilled migrants to America's growth. However, this issue has highlighted a growing rift within the MAGA movement. On one side are traditional conservatives pushing for strengthened immigration policies and controls, and on the other hand are tech entrepreneurs and innovators who recognize the value of international talent in sustaining America's competitive edge. The clash over migration policies signals deeper ideology battles within the Republican Party, raising questions about its unity and future direction. This evolving story or controversy is more than just a political disagreement. This reflection of America's struggle to balance nationalism with global competitiveness. As the MAGA movement finds itself divided, what does this mean for Indian Americans and their role in shaping the future of United States innovation? So stay tuned as we continue to bring you the latest updates on this evolving story. Guys, this was Amna Tariq reporting, and you were watching Desi TV USA. For more interesting updates, please stay tuned and keep watching. Allah Hafiz.